A lot of brewers and a lot of home drinkers just want to be able to put beer on tap in their own homes. But some of them want to make it just a little bit more presentational than just having a kegerator sitting out in the room. One of the best examples of that is here at Freshy's bar, who's invited us in to come and check out his pool area bar, where he's got a Solstice fridge set up under counter. So for those of you that want to put your kegerators under counter, this is a great way to do it. So let's have a look at what Freshy's done here. His bar top being a nice natural piece of timber. He's got a countertop here, and as you can see over here, he's got the font set up on top of the counter and the kegerator, the Solstice Kegerator, hooked up underneath it. So between these two bits, if you can see in here, you'll actually see there is a telescopic font adapter because we need to attach the top of the fridge to the bottom of the counter so that the cold air blowing off the compressor in here can come up into the font, keeping all of this cold. So what does that mean for you? The drinker will be able to come here, have nice cold lines inside their font, be able to grab their glass, whatever, and it's going to come out nice and cold to begin with, which means a lot less foaming, especially when it comes to the beer. Now, he's also gone and hooked up some soda water to this because, you know, not everybody enjoys a beer. Some people want a soda water or something refreshing as they're out here swimming. He's got the pool nearby. He's got the countertop here, which goes over to his barbecue over here. There's a sink behind me over here. The whole outdoor living center with the kegerator at this bar being the heart of it. So if you want to do something like this, you totally can. Keg King can help you out with the equipment, with the ideas for how to make this stuff work. And of course, we're always there to help you. So think about putting your kegerator under counter. Think of the possibilities. We'll see you next time.